did it, gang? It's about Javon. It's a girl Javon. I'm back in another video. You know what I'm saying? Boom, 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 boom. Well, yeah, I'm back in another video. What's up, guys? Yeah, how you doing today?
Oh my gosh.
You can say your name now. Oh wait, I already said it. So we're gonna jump into the video. As you guys see by the thumbnail, as you guys see by the title. Okay. Oh, you didn't say your name. Oh yeah, cause we got two eyes. You know what I'm saying?
Shut up. Let me say something, guys.
Oh yeah, so guys, today you guys see by the title, the thumbnail, and yeah. Okay, I got it.
Okay,
oh,
guys.
and before. Okay, good. Go ahead.
Anyways. Okay guys, as you can see by the title of this video, we are going to be trying the spicy chicken sandwiches. We're actually going to be trying from 3 different places. So we're going to try from Popeyes, we're going to try from Wendy's, and we're going to try from Chick-Fil-A. So we are currently at Wendy's.
Well guys, to be honest, I never tried Wendy's meal before. I never bought anything from Wendy's before.
I think I bought a salad.
So in this video, the only thing I tried so far was Chick-Fil-A chicken sandwich. I never tried Popeyes, and I never tried this. So we're gonna see who's actually the best. I know Chick-Fil-A is pretty good. We're gonna see if Wendy's or Popeyes can top that. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of people been telling me to try the spicy one from Popeyes, so
we're gonna try it.
I'm gonna take up your offer. Don't let me down. Hopefully it's good. You know what I'm saying?
Hopefully they still have some.
Oh yeah, because I know yesterday I was driving around. I wasn't looking for. I was driving around and passed a couple of Popeyes. The sign said sold out. I was like, dang, that's tough.
I feel like they didn't even get a chance to sell anything else but the chicken sandwiches. So they just need to stock up on chicken sandwiches and just forget the rest of the other stuff at this point. Alright guys, we are now done with Wendy's. And we got one chicken sandwich. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? And babe wanted to try, we wanted to try their fries because we never tried their fries before. But god damn, this line long. Jesus. So yeah guys, we're gonna get one burger of each. Y'all look how long these lines are, man. Godly. Alrighty guys, we got our Chick-Fil-A. We have our Chick-Fil-A. Why did I just do that? That was so cringy. Ugh. You hear me? That's got Chick-Fil-A.
And now we're pulling them to Popeyes.
Where's Popeyes?
Down here.
Oh. Okay guys, so we're on our way to Popeyes. Pray for us. Hopefully we don't have to stand in a long line.
You mean pray they got it?
That too.
Gee, imagine you stay in the line for no reason. They already they don't have it. You be like, bruh.
I think some people on YouTube, like they was just waiting in line for the chicken sandwich, and when they got up to the line, like when they got up to the people to take the order or whatever, they was like, oh, we're sold out of the chicken sandwich, instead of just putting a sign up and say, hey, we're out, like we're sold out. And
yeah, most people put up a sign over the chicken sandwich. If you see the sign over the chicken, that means it's sold out.
So hopefully they're not sold out, because I really want to try this sandwich. I don't want to try it while it's too late or whatever, because you know we're doing a video for it. So, but yeah, guys. The camera might be dark, maybe because outside is dark. Yeah. It's finna rain. It's about to pour down rain.
So yeah, journey with us. I think it's obvious.
Y'all look, okay, it's not a big line as what we have been seeing on other people's videos and stuff, but it's a line. So guys, we have pulled up to Popeyes right now. This is our third Popeyes.
Over to Popeyes, how can I help you?
Can I get 2 number 9, please?
I'm sorry?
Can I get 2 number 9?
Alright, anything else for you today?
That's it.
867 out the window.
They have the sound. Babe, how much was it?
$8.69.
Okay, so it's just
why of all person the closest one
to the house
has it?
We went to one in Pearland. They didn't have it. This is like literally like 3 minutes from the house. We should have just came here. guys, we finally got the sandwich. I was so discouraged. I was like, we're not going to no more Popeyes. Alright guys, so we have our food.
I'm thirsty.
I'm hungry. So we have our Popeyes.
Guys, we went to 3 different Popeyes looking for this burger. That's y'all making a big deal of. Golly. Please.
We got our
This
Chick-Fil-A.
is good.
I put you on to that, okay? Let it be known I put you on to that.
I've been noticing about this.
No, you didn't. You
We'll go to restaurants. Do they have this, right?
What? Strawberry lemonade?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, then.
But I put you on that from Wendy's.
Hell no.
You shut up.
Bob
And
the Builder head ass.
Shut up. And then we got our...
Oh, you guys can't really see it.
Alright guys, so we're about to start this video. So...
I already started.
We bought 2 of the sandwiches from Popeyes. 2 sandwiches. But this is the spicy sandwiches. We have them from Popeyes. Yeah.
You gonna try them last or first or what? I'm
Um,
curious to try Wendy's because I never tried Wendy's before.
let's try Wendy's first.
All right, get the Wendy's one. Let's try
Wendy's.
first.
So we ordered 2 of the Popeyes sandwiches. We ordered 2 Chick-Fil-A and then just 1 Wendy's because we don't really eat Wendy's. So, and then this was expensive. It was like $12. Babe was like $12.
But it's still warm, so I'm gonna get more.
Come on, you try it first, babe. You the pickiest eater out of both of us.
No, man.
That looks so regular, like a regular little
No,
patty.
this look regular.
That look like a regular patty you can get from the store.
You guys can't really see it.
Take the foil off.
Oh.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah. Oh. Okay.
You want me to go first?
Yeah, you go first, babe.
All right, guys.
They turn the arrow. Maybe we're gonna have to turn it off for a little bit, then turn it back on.
You guys go first. Take a bite. Take a bite. All right, I'll go first. I already taste something with spice in it. What do you think?
This was a spicy burger?
Yeah. I mean, I tasted spice in it, but it's not as spicy as I thought it was going to be. No?
I don't like it. I don't like the patty.
More burger for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, this one, Wendy's is not as spicy as we thought.
I don't know if I was cold. I don't like the patty on there.
Yeah, guys, Wendy's is not as spicy.
It's not. You like it? It's alright. What?
I spent $12 on this. To me,
Oh, you about to eat all that, huh?
I have to eat much. Tripping.
Sound like my mama.
You be like that too.
I do.
You be like that too.
Okay, come on, do this burger.
Alright, guys, so Wendy's, it's spicy, but it's not as spicy.
Yeah.
So, I see why Wendy's is not in this race. I can see.
The patty, I don't like it. I don't like the patty. Alright, which one try next? Chick-Fil-A.
Chick-Fil-A.
Now, these 2 are the runner of Chick-Fil-A and Popeyes. So, which one?
Chick-Fil-A.
Alright.
So, yeah, guys, so
Chick-fil-A?
you're gonna go to,
Chick-Fil-A. I love Chick-Fil-A spicy sandwiches. I just love the bread. I love the chicken, how soft it is. Oh my gosh.
I saw it happen.
Okay, this is how it looks, guys. I don't know if y'all can see that because I can't see it. I'm blind. These got a little cold.
Just a little one. There you go. Guys, of course, everyone tried Chick-Fil-A fried chicken before,
Yeah,
so this forever gonna be up there. We're just gonna see if really we're gonna see if Popeyes is really trying to contest Chick-Fil-A.
Yeah.
Wendy's, no.
Wendy's out of there.
Oh.
He's so dramatic.
Oh.
Really, babe? That's on you took a shit.
PG-13, full sex.
That's good. I love this.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that's how he moan for real. I'm playing. It's good. I like Chick-Fil-A.
As I say, Chick-Fil-A gonna always be on top.
I like it better fresh though. But it's real good. Okay, babe, don't finish it.
Wow.
Cause we gotta go to the next burger. Oh, guys, we got our drinks from Wendy's. We got the strawberry. Yeah, we got the strawberry lemonade. All right, let's go.
You go first this time. I'm gonna drum roll.
So funny. This burger is big. I'm full just looking at it. All right. So everything that's in this burger.
You can't see it.
Oh shoot! Sorry, guys. So they have a little bit. Damn, they was kind of stingy. It was kind of stingy on that sauce. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's kind of bright. And then there's like two. What kind of pickles is that? Babe, should we take those off? You want to take those off?
If you want to.
Yo, they got like two pickles on it. What kind of pickles are those? This thing is big. Okay. Fix it on. This is huge. Look how big this is.
Here we go. Just buy it already. Jeez.
I'm trying to figure out how much.
It's taking 10 years to buy a burger.
Y'all, look at this.
She still complaining about y'all. Look at me. She bought all the curls. Thank God. Ten years later.
But I feel like I just been into number crust.
I know.
There was no chicken.
Well, anything I just said, I said you beat all the curls.
I just got crust and bread. It's crunchy. I didn't bite no chicken, so I gotta get another bite.
Of what? No, you're not. Shit. All right, guys. Turn the camera this way under the general. Woo. It's a lot of crust.
That's what I said. Crust is thick.
It's a lot of crust.
I been in that whole part that I just bit into was number crust.
Yeah.
Okay. He had to make a way for me because I would have been into some more crust.
Man, you need 4 bread for this. Damn.
I like the crust.
It's a lot of crust.
It's a lot of crust, but that's good.
It's a lot of crust, but less spice. Doesn't have that much spice, guys. Oh, we did got the spicy chicken for y'all from the say. We make sure it's spicy, guys.
Got spicy. Look at that crust right now.
It's a lot of crust in it.
All this right here is crust. Did I drop some?
You can put this after you done anyway. So that's some points coming off right there.
Yeah, all that crust.
It's a lot of crust. So in my opinion, Chick-Fil-A is still on top.
Yeah.
Chick-Fil-A is still on top, guys. Chick-Fil-A is still on top.
I say the only reason this will beat Chick-Fil-A is because of the crust. It's crunchy, but
it's too much crust.
Chick-Fil-A gives more meat with its burger.
Yeah.
Popeyes, it's just, I feel like it's nothing but crust, like a little piece of meat and crust around it. So it's not that. It's not all that.
Yeah, guys, I'm eating my winners because I spent $12 on this burger. $12.
Yeah, no.
$12.
They look at that thick layer of crust right here.
Too much crust.
That is
I like crust, but
oh no, wait, I think that's chicken. No, that's crust.
yeah.
Look inside of the crust. I don't know if y'all can see.
I don't know if we just bad luck for us to get the piece with a lot of crust, but it's a lot of crust, guys. So everyone bragging that this it's good. It's just a lot of crust for me. You know what I'm saying?
It's too crusty.
Chick-fil-A is still on top.
Yeah.
Way up there.
I love Chick-fil-A.
There's no complaint right there. Chick-fil-A is still on top. So this is probably my first and last time buying this.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
It's not even spicy.
Yeah, it's not that spicy. As I said, it's more crust than spicy.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, that was our review of this Popeyes chicken sandwich, spicy chicken sandwich. It wasn't all that at all.
But yeah, guys, that wraps up the video right there, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe.
Hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video to this channel. And yeah, guys, we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.